My burner used to look like this until I discovered how to protect my burner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to protect your stove burner so that it will not get dirty or get rusted easily. So this is my stove. I've cleaned it and I am here to protect it so that I don't have to be cleaning it every day. And I'm going to show you how to protect your stove using just one material which is very common in our kitchen. I mean aluminum foil. So I'm going to be using this aluminum foil to cover the burner of my stove so that I will not have to be cleaning it regularly or it will not get rust easily. So this is how to do it. Please, if you like this hack, I would love you to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And this is just to make your stove burner last longer and also keeps the dirt from getting in the burner. Let me tell you a story. When I was pregnant with my fourth child, I did not have the time to be cleaning my stove regularly. And my stove became so bad. And after that, I told myself I'm going to be doing something to it to make sure that I protect my stove and, I don't have to work too much. Just using aluminum foil. So here is how to do it. And you can just do it alongside me and protect your stove burner. So after covering the burner with the foil, you make a hole in the middle. And I'm going to show you how to do it in all four. So please look carefully at how I'm covering the stove burner with the foil. Because first of all, you take the foil and measure it out with the size of the burner and then try to press it in and let it settle at the base of the burner and have enough space, because if you try to just put it, it might not settle at the bottom. And I mean, when you do it, you feel it as you're doing it and you understand better how you need to make it settle. And you cut out the excess foil. Then you make a hole in the middle and tuck the foil under the hole before putting in the rims. So here is how to do it one last time. First, you take the foil and just measure it or just eyeball it. Use the foil to cover the stove burner. Make sure you press it in for it to settle at the base or at the bottom of the stove burner, and then tuck the ends under the edge of the burner and cut out the excess, and that's it. So that's how you can protect your stove burner, and also it will help it to last long, and it will also protect it from getting dirty easily. So this can last you for like 1 to 2 weeks, and you can just remove it and replace it. It is better than washing it, cleaning it every week, so, or every 3 days. So this is how I protect my stove burner. You can see that it is looking very pretty, and I'm getting ready to put in the rims. So my stove rims are not in order. It is now broken in 2 parts, So I have to put the first one and then put the second one, but they still work. So you see that it's not supposed to be like this. The rims are supposed to be together, but it is broken in two, but it still works. So you are going to make another hole so that you can fit in the rims. And because it's an electric stove, that is what connects with electricity, and then it will generate heat for me to use to cook. Then you place in the rims. I sincerely appreciate you watching this video. Please take a moment and give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your continued support, and share your thoughts in the comments below as well. This is how you do it. You make a hole and then tuck the excess foil under it and then place it on the stove. So luckily I still have one that is complete, not falling apart. So this last rim is just together. So I then feed it into the stove burner. So that's how to protect your stove from getting rusted easily. And here I am turning it on for you to see that they all work perfectly. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your continued support. I hope you will not let your stove burner to be like this. Thank you so much for watching.